So now we're filling in all the holes on the frame. There's a lot of them. We're not gonna count them because that's gonna lead to depressing thoughts. And he's got what they call which is a piece of copper or bronze or brass. It's one of those gold metals. It's one of those gold metals that crackheads steal. And that doesn't stick to it. So he's using that as a backer, filling the hole. And then we'll come back and grind the top smooth, and then you'll never know it was there. Just like those welds. Can't tell they're there. So we're throw a few hours at that. I guess normal people would have started with smooth steel, but it's not how we roll. Also forgot, gonna go ahead and weld these in. I'll probably just end up welding a washer in right there and there. Got some lights there and there, and then a light across the front. And then probably do something across the back as well, since we're welding and grinding. That's 10 holes. It's only been like 20 minutes. So it's time's flying by. Time is flying by. Top half of one side done. Lift it up to do the other side. Got a couple more to do on this side. Moving along pretty quick. And about the same on this side. One piece of steel before you know it. All right, you can see this one side's done. And also, while I had the welding machine out, welded up some little tabs for the lights. They're just obviously thrown up there right now. I mean, the tabs are welded in place, but the lights and stuff are all loose. Just trying to get an idea of where to put the back one. If I put the spare tire on the roof, then I can't put it up top and line with all these, so I guess I'll go on the bottom or off the back. It's a really good opportunity to snap that light off if I do put that spare tire up on the top of it. So yeah, trying to get as much done so that whenever I bedline it, I won't have to come back and disturb any of it, grinding a weld or anything like that. I'm probably gonna go ahead and box this into either all the way across or close that and then cut a plate to go over that so it doesn't look so goofy. Yeah, coming along. Still need to finish welding, grinding all that smooth, finish up the bends and the radiuses. I haven't welded in that stuff yet. Still quite a bit amount of welding, but just as many steps, as many boxes you can check off. You always want to try and do it before paint. There will always be something I forget, but hopefully it will be something I can manage by just drilling a hole and not having to weld. So, oh, did also plate these in. So, you weld that in. Got them plated on both sides. Forgot about that. Yeah, coming along. Started to fair in all this stuff, so grinding those welds smooth. I'm gonna do those next and those next. Be a nice transitionary thing. Went ahead and welded the bottom, this plate to this plate here, and faired it all out. Same on the back side. So coming along. Went from, you know, just looking like a couple pieces of plate just slapped up there and welded into a nice smooth transition. So probably another I think it's probably an hour worth of work to weld and grind that out. Probably another hour on that side. And that part will be done. And then just have a real good think about anything else I could possibly be forgetting before I bedline it. But I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else I want to add to this.